Imagine running a blog that writes itself, posts articles automatically, and even generates money, all while you sleep. Sounds like magic, right? With AI tools like Chatgpt and automation platforms on the rise, this dream is now a reality. You can set up a fully automated blogging system that pulls the latest news from your niche, converts it into engaging blog posts, and publishes them without any manual effort. Let me walk you through how to create your own Autoblog website using AI step by step. But first, hello and welcome to Digital Hippie. If you're new here, this is where we empower you with tools, tutorials, and AI solutions to start, grow, and automate your online business or high-income skill. If you're ready to level up your life and unlock financial abundance in the digital galaxy, be sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips. Hop in. We're riding the digital wave. Start with a niche that inspires and earns. The first step in creating a successful Autoblog is picking a niche. This is the specific topic your blog will focus on, and it's important to choose something that's both interesting to you and profitable. Think about areas where there's a steady stream of news and high audience interest, like technology, personal finance, or health. Use free tools like Google Trends to find trending topics and evaluate their popularity over time. Choosing a niche that aligns with your interests will keep you motivated, and selecting one that appeals to advertisers and affiliate marketers will make monetization easier down the line. Once you've decided on your niche, you're ready to start building your blog. Build your blog with WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms for building blogs, and for good reason. It's beginner-friendly, highly customizable, and perfect for automation. To get started, you'll need a hosting service to store your website and a domain name for your blog. Platforms like Bluehost are great options that offer one-click WordPress installation and domain registration. After purchasing a hosting plan and a domain name, log into your hosting dashboard and install WordPress. Once installed, choose a professional-looking theme from the WordPress library. Your theme sets the tone for your blog, so pick one that's visually appealing and suits your niche. For instance, a tech blog might benefit from an attractive, minimalist design, while a health blog might look better with calming, natural colors. After installing the theme, customize it by adding a logo, adjusting the layout, and configuring basic settings like site title and description. Source fresh content with Google News. An Autoblog thrives on fresh and relevant content, and Google News is an excellent source. Visit Google News and type your niche into the search bar. For instance, if your niche is artificial intelligence, search for related news and trends. Once you've found a category with lots of relevant articles, copy the URL from the search results. This URL will serve as the foundation for pulling articles into your automation system. Google News is updated constantly, so you'll always have new material to feed into your blog. Create an RSS feed for automation. To automate the process of fetching articles, you'll need an RSS feed. An RSS feed acts as a live stream of content updates from your chosen source. Use a tool like the RSS app to create one. Simply paste the Google News URL into the tool, and it will generate an RSS feed URL for you. Save this feed URL because you'll need it for the next step. RSS feeds are the backbone of your autoblogging system, making sure your blog stays updated with the latest news from your niche without any manual intervention. Automate content creation. With Make.com, a powerful automation platform, is where the magic happens. It connects your RSS feed to OpenAI's Chatgpt, allowing you to turn news articles into polished blog posts. First, sign up for a free Make.com account and create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as a workflow that automates specific tasks. Add an RSS module to your scenario and paste the RSS feed URL you generated earlier. This module will trigger your automation whenever a new article is published. Next, connect Make.com to OpenAI's API. Head over to OpenAI and generate an API key. Use this key to link Chatgpt to Make.com. Now, add a module to process the article text. Create a custom prompt instructing Chatgpt to write an SEO-optimized blog post based on the article's content and include specific parameters, like tone, word count, and keywords. For example, you might instruct it to create a friendly, easy-to-read post of around 800 words. Save your scenario, and your Autoblog system is ready to start writing. Generate stunning images with AI. Every blog post needs visuals to grab attention. and make the content more engaging. OpenAI's DALL-E 3 can generate professional-looking images customized to your posts. In Make.com, add a DALL-E 3 module and set up a prompt for image creation. For example, if your blog is about AI, you could ask it to create a futuristic image of artificial intelligence at work. Make sure to save the generated image on your server or WordPress media library for future use. Adding visuals not only enhances your blog's aesthetic appeal, but also improves user experience and SEO rankings. Automatically publish to WordPress. Once your articles and images are ready, it's time to publish them on your blog. Install the Make WordPress plugin, also known as the Integromat connector, from your WordPress dashboard. Activate the plugin and retrieve the API key it provides. Add a WordPress module to your scenario. Use the API key to connect your WordPress site and configure the module to create new posts. Link the blog title, content, and image fields to the outputs generated by Chatgpt and DALL-E 3. You can choose whether to publish posts immediately or save them as drafts for review. Once set up, your Autoblog will publish posts automatically, saving you hours of manual effort. Test and refine your system. Before going live, run a test to ensure everything works smoothly. Trigger the scenario in Make.com and check if it pulls a new article, generates an engaging blog post, creates an image, and publishes the post to your WordPress site. Review the output for quality and accuracy. If needed, modify the Chatgpt prompt or adjust settings in Make.com to improve results. Regular testing and fine-tuning are essential to maintaining a high-quality blog. Monetize your Autoblog. With your Autoblog up and running, it's time to turn it into a source of income. Start with display ads by signing up for Google AdSense, which pays you whenever someone views or clicks on ads displayed on your blog. Affiliate marketing is another profitable option. Join programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and promote products relevant to your niche. For example, a tech blog could recommend gadgets, while a fitness blog might promote workout gear. Sponsored posts are another avenue where businesses pay you to feature their products or services. As your blog gains traffic, consider creating and selling your own products, like ebooks or online courses, for even greater profit potential. Tips for long-term success. Building my Autoblog was just the beginning. But I've realized that long-term success requires consistent effort and smart strategies. One of the first things I focus on is search engine optimization, SEO, to ensure my posts rank high in search results. I use plugins like Yoast SEO to optimize titles, meta descriptions, and content structure. I also spend time researching keywords related to my niche using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs, and strategically incorporate them into my posts to boost visibility. Promotion is another key area I prioritize. I make sure to share my blog posts on social media platforms where my target audience hangs out, such as Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. I've also joined niche-specific forums, Facebook groups, and Reddit communities where I engage with people and subtly promote my content without coming across as too pushy. Quality control is critical for me, even though my blog is automated. I regularly review the posts to ensure they're accurate, engaging, and free of errors. Staying updated on the latest AI advancements helps me tweak my automation settings for even better results. Lastly, I keep experimenting with monetization strategies. I've tried different ad placements, affiliate programs, and even selling exclusive content. It's a constant process of figuring out what works best for my audience, but adapting my approach over time has ensured my Autoblog keeps growing and generating income. Creating an AI-powered Autoblog in 2024 is not just a futuristic idea. It's an achievable reality. With tools like Chatgpt, Make.com, and WordPress, you can automate the entire blogging process and enjoy the benefits of a self-sustaining website. Whether you're looking for a passive income stream or a way to scale your blogging efforts, this system offers an unbeatable combination of efficiency, affordability, and potential profitability. If you're excited to make an impact, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with anyone who could use these tips. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Digital Hippie, reminding you to work less, earn more, and live hippie.